Hi, to update your Redmi Note 14, you need to open Settings and here find this first tab About Phone. So now, if you got any new updates, you would see here blue button Update Now. And after you click it, you'll see information about the new version on the screen. You'll see the version number, the file size, and the list of new features. So you need to click on Download Update to start downloading the update file. And during the download, a percentage bar will appear on the black screen to show the progress of the download. Just wait for it to be completed. And once download is complete, your phone will prompt you to reboot to install the update. Just click on the option Reboot and give your device time to complete the update process. It usually takes a few minutes. And then when you'll go back in settings, you'll see that now there is no option to update your phone like in my case, so just plain screen, and also the version of OS. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.